Just left the farm to go to town to play a quick 9 holes of golf. And this decided to roll through. And we got hammered. There was some golf ball size tail. Wow. Let's see what the canola looks like here. Thunder's still roaring. An inch of rain. Needed the moisture. Didn't really want this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy. It's like a lawnmower went through here. Just finished spraying this the other day and it looked amazing. L350, plant after plant. It's early. It's still early. It's June 14th. Holy shit. Should probably get my rubber boots on. Wow. Cannot catch a break. Needed the moisture. Did not want this. Just ripped it. Just shredded it. It'll be interesting on how it tries to grow back. It kind of looks like a zombie plant because it will try to grow back. It'll be ugly. Wow. This looked so good here. Oh my god. I gotta go get my rubber boots. Trees are effed. A lot of leaves. Not ideal for planting trees. They'll survive. Dad said he put some hailstones in the shop. Those are large. Shredded some of the spruce tree off. Let's check on the camper. Don't see anything.
Because the flank was not blowing, like it was coming straight down.
Really? Holy smokes! Yikes. It's less than ideal. Take that. Couple dents on the hood. This crack was there, but that one's new. You can spray a fungicide to try to mend the wounds, which might help, which we might have to do, but check on it again in a few days and see how it's trying to regrow. Looks pretty ugly right now. This was our first seeded canola, so it's our biggest. Go check some younger stuff. Well, mowed the kochia down pretty good. Control that. That'll come back even stronger. Well, the wheat isn't terrible. It's definitely beat up. A lot of it is, well, yeah, it's sheared off. and pushed into the mud. Oh, that one's just sheared off. But with how early it is, oh yeah, I'm just picking off leaves. It'll just keep trying to grow. Send new leaves, make new tillers. Just try to survive. This was the first seeded wheat field and it looked pretty good with the seed hawk. The head was already starting to form there and it's now exposed. It's going to be interesting how it'll look in a few days, and I'll try to give an update. Yeah, I haven't had this in a few years at this time. Had that hailstorm rip through last year late, and actually we combined as low as we can and we got a decent amount off of that. So mix up some magic juice in the sprayer and try to help it out. Wow. This wheat was thick right here behind these trees, kind of in this hollow. A lot of it is, yeah, just, well, it's broken over. Yeah, it's broken over and pushed down. These will, yeah, they'll try to spring back up. Hail still in the seed row. Man. Yeah, look at all this here. This is nuts. Yeah, all these leaves are shredded. It'll send new ones, hopefully. Some potholes in the field now. We seeded through all this. You can see where the water was running down the hill. Yikes. Well, we wanted the moisture. Canola here is pretty young. Let's see how it fared. There's like imprints of the hail.
Oh, yeah.
Divots in the mud. Just a mile north of where we just were, and the canola is starting to look better already. It's not pushed into the ground and ripped off. There's our weather station there, showing 20 millimeters of rain. Kind of right at the yard was the epicenter of the storm. Now we are to the west, but not as bad here. Not as many indents in the ground. Some still, but the wheat is a little bit better here. Just right by the yard seems to be the worst. Also, the wheat is not as big here. This was the last seeded field. Just kind of pushed down and just roughed up. It'll be fine. Well, it's bad. It's not terrible. It's young enough that it'll come back from that. Might have to spray a fungicide on it to help mend the wounds. I gotta unload my golf cart. Our work truck took a little beating, not bad. All our equipment is in the shed, except for the sprayer, which was outside, which it usually isn't, but it was pretty far north where I'm spraying right now, but that's out of the path. Man, are there sticks and leaves down here.